Assalamu alaikum. My name is Wajid Ali Khan, and I have given my introduction and my team's introduction in my recent video. This video is all about reality of forex trading. So, if you have decided to jump into this market, keep few things in your mind that you are not going to become a millionaire or rich by overnight, just as glittered by some brokers, advertised by some brokers, that you just put $100 in it and by that time few minutes you are going to make thousands of buckets. No, it's not like that. Okay, so let's bifurcate it, that if you have a $1,000 account, you can only earn your uh, let's say grocery for the month. That's it, nothing more than that. If you have a $5,000 account, you can, yes, okay, with your groceries you can pay your utility bills by month. And even if you have a $10,000 account, yes, you can run a good fair family or unit of 5 people, where you can spend your rent, your utilities, your groceries, your children education. Yes, you can live a good fair life with $10,000 account. But even a $10,000 account cannot make you a millionaire. If you can digest this reality, just jump into the market. Don't dream. Don't live in a fool's paradise. This is my personal experience and my group's experience. You can join us at Telegram and scroll down and see these stories there, the real stories of our members and the work shared with our admin. So, if you're ready to jump in, just welcome you. You can join our Telegram group, and this channel will keep updating daily analysis and give you tips, and there should be good notes on it. Yes, we are going to put notes on it too for your reading material, for your analysis. We are going to cover all the aspects, from fundamentals to technical and sentimentals too. So let's get started with it.